Hi everyone, welcome back to Darren Paints with Mike, and today we have two paintings to show you from the range. As you would have seen in my Come Shop With Me video, that is going to be a new series that I'm going to be doing where I'm going to be showing all the different paintings they've got in each week. It does tend to change, and then obviously once I get them, I'll do like an unboxing on the Monday. So on the Friday, you'll get early access to what's in the store, and then on Mondays, you will get the actual unboxing. Now, I've already got my eye on that unicorn that was the other one behind this. For the first time, we have a butterfly glow in the dark there. So I'm really excited to see how it was. And I think I got a skull, didn't I? That light blue skull one. That was supposed to do at Halloween but didn't have the time. So yeah, this sort of marks the second one that I've got. So yeah, I've actually got two, not one. So yeah, we got the butterfly glow in the dark, and look, that icy blue wintry cold effective mandala. They got a thing about mandalas at the moment in the range, but I'm curious to see what this looks like, because this was $4.99. A lot of the 30x30s tend to be $4.99. But what's quite interesting is on the back it looks a little bit different, so we'll have to wait and see what it looks like. We're going to get into this now and see what this looks like. So let's put that over to one side. Actually, might have to use that again for cellophane, but these are so lovely and presentable, aren't they, in these gorgeous boxes. And yeah, these gold brackets are becoming more and more popular now. So let's get into here. We're going to make a slight incision into there and just take that off like so. So let's try and get that along there. And yeah, I think Crafty Club and Art Studio are competing against one another, because Crafty Club, you know that flamingo I picked up, they're now coming out with the 20x20 canvases on these cardboard backings, so we'll get to that in a minute. I'm super excited to see what this looks like. Obviously, the way the glow in the dark works is obviously it needs daylight for it to charge, so obviously it will be probably, oh yes, lots of splash of colour, but it, as I was saying, it will be probably glowing through the dark. If you leave it out like this, you could find that half you've put your jewels on, and then like through the night it's still glowing in the dark even though you've not completed it. At this stage I don't know what will be glowing in the dark, because I'm sort of curious if we're going to be putting drills onto it, then what is the section that's supposed to be glow in the dark? Do you see what I mean? So I don't know if it is actually glow in the dark or whether it's just like some sort of gimmick or something, but as it says, it's supposed to be glow in the dark. So looking at this, I think it's this pipe, like sort of piping going around. So it's these sort of thin layers, but then you've got that drilled in. So this is going to be very interesting to see if this does actually glow in the dark, but I don't know. But yeah, this is the canvas, and isn't it lovely? It's like that sugar candy skull that I worked on at Halloween. You've got all sorts going on here. You've got this gorgeous butterfly. You've got the lovely sort of flowers going around the edge here. And yeah, absolutely lovely. So yeah, that's good, which is really lovely. And yeah, I'm very curious to see how this is going to work, because as I said again, it's bugging me because this piping that they've shown is all drilled, right? But then on here, unless they're going to be glow in the dark drills, I can't see how that's going to glow in the dark. But you know, we mustn't complain. We must see and wait until it's done to see if it works. But yeah, so in here you get your boat, your two brackets again, and quite a lot of bags. So very nice. And as you can see, it is a 30x30 with your schematic on the side here. So let's put that to one side. These are our drills now. Right, wow, yeah, I've sussed it now. Aha, right, you know what it is? These are them, look. These drills here, they look see-through, but they are your glow-in-the-dark drills. Obviously, it's not going to work yet because it's been in a box, so it's not got charge in it to do it. But yeah, they're your glow-in-the-darks. So that's made sense now. Yeah, wow. Okay, cool. Wow, wow, wow. This is going to be cool to do. So you get 2 packs of them. It's really weird looking, isn't it? It looks like silicone or something. I've never seen like a see-through drill before, but yeah, that beautiful pink. Look at that, Liz. You're going to love that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got a sort of amber colour, a gold, a silver, a purple, a red, a green, a pink, a light blue, a sort of dark blue, a purple, and oh my days, that is beautiful. You know, like the Scooby-Doos you used to get? Scoobies were like, they used to be like little, what would you call it? Like a pipe cleaner, but like rubber wires, and you would make like little patterns with them and like keychains and stuff, but all out of wires. It's called Scoobies. I used to do them all the time. I did teach my auntie's friend once, Tracy, and she done it complete late, put it all through, and then it all collapsed. And I said, don't worry, try again, you know. And she did it in the end. But look at these, just lovely colours. But yeah, sort of reminds me of the Scooby-Doos there. Now, do let me know with the come shop with me. Do you want to see, like, because I'm trying to figure out what shops to go to, because we can do the works. Home Bargains is a tricky one because they don't do paint-ins. However, Christmas, I did get washi tape. I haven't filmed it for this year, last year, because we ran out of time. So you'll see that this year. But they do washi tape. I'm really struggling to find diamond paintings in there. But let me know in the comments what sort of shops you want me to view. And then I can work with that. And, you know, if you want to see the works, I'll go to the works. And, you know, give me some feedback so that I know what shops you want to see. And providing they're in the area, not too far out, then I will go to them. So, yeah. I think the furthest I'll probably go to is probably Ipswich or sort of, you know, Romford area, but you know, if it's, you know, not too far out, I don't mind. Okay, so I think we've showed the drawers for that. Yes, we have. So let's get into the mandala. So this is the mandala. As you can see, it's got this. They did have, I think it was a purple one, but as I say, they stacked them behind the shelves, as you would have seen. And I just really like this one. It was giving me the Frozen vibe. It was very sort of like icy looking, and yeah, I really quite like that. So whether this is part of the winter collection, I'm not sure, but let's get into it and see what we got, people. So in here we have, oh, pastel colours, lovely. Okie dokie, so where's my pen? Knife even. So that was lucky, I nearly pierced through that. And get into all this loveliness. But that glow in the dark elephant that I saw, oh my days, that is absolutely gorgeous. And that's supposed to be glow in the dark, $7.99. So I don't tend to pick up the big paintings because it's quite hard to carry them on the train as well as carrying bags and a rucksack at the same time. So I tend to order them, so I might order that. And I've literally found out that Home Bargains has a online website that you can order from. I didn't even know that, so I might start ordering from there. Yeah. So standard sort of thing again as the butterfly. You got your brackets, your bag, your boat, your pen and wax there. And let's take a look in here. I think they've done this again. Look, they've stapled it. That's so, like, I don't understand it because they don't do it this edge. Why do they do this? Look, all this excess plastic. It's terrible. But anyway. Oh, this is fancy. Wow. Look at that. It's like one of them things on the screen. You know where you look on the focus point, like the centre, and they're all spiraling. And it's supposed to, like, make your eyes go dizzy and stuff. But this is beautiful, isn't it? I can see it's upside down. So that's what it looks like. So you've got loads of things going on here. So much confetti going on. I think for this one, we're probably going to have to work on the one colour at the time, because this is going to be like a headache to do otherwise. But yeah, let's take a look at the stick. Yeah, wow, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to need to get a shed because I'm running out of room for all these. Like, it's all right, the canvases, because you can put them in the files, but the ones on the backing, I'm really struggling for space at the moment for these. But the thing is, we keep buying, don't we? That's the problem. It's addictive. But yeah, that's our icy mandala. So we'll put that to one side. And we have our drills. Oops. We have our drills here. If you notice, I tend to do more the range now than I do Temu because I just love the range. It's nice that you can go to a shop, pick it up there and then, rather than have to wait for it to come. So I think that's another aspect as well. So we've also got sort of like a beigey sort of colour. Very gorgeous colours here. This minty blue is gorgeous. Number 2, that's actually going to be this colour here. So you see this sort of one there, that's going to be that colour. And then in here we've got like sort of, I'd say like a coffee sort of colour. And then we've got a pink there, dark blue, the dreaded purple colour that I can't stand. I just don't like it. Black, and we've also got the white. So that is absolutely fabulous, people. So as I said, 2 beautiful paintings. We have this one here, which I can't wait to get started on. And although this does have purple in it, you can't say no to it, can you? But I think I already know what I want to get next time. I definitely want to get that elephant. I definitely want to get the unicorn that goes with this. And I suspect on the website, this will probably be a mix and match. So, sorry, one or the other. So a lot of their paintings on the range, they will always do some that have, it's either the butterfly or the unicorn, and you don't know which one to get. And it's quite upsetting when you set your heart on, like, say, for example, if I wanted the butterfly and then ended up with the unicorn, it's quite disappointing because you've set your heart on the butterfly, if you get me. So I would, if it's one on the website that is always showing this or that one, and they don't know which one's going to be sent, if you really, really want one and you've set your heart on it, I'd always recommend going to the shop, because then you know you won't have to go through the website and just have to wait to see which one you get. But as I said, these are 2 fabulous paintings. I haven't seen any Easter ones yet. I'm quite disappointed because Hannah's store did have Easter ones, but for some reason our store doesn't at the moment. Whether it's because it's too early yet, I don't know. But anyway, the links were for these in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell so you can be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And yeah, I think I'm going to save this for a mandala theme, because like these things are cropping up more and more now. So yeah, I sort of regret filming the like starting the mandala notebook that I had, because I feel like that should now be part of a mandala theme, because now this has come up. So, but anyway, we'll save this for like a mandala theme. But yeah, one thing I'd like to see with the range is coasters. They do cards, they do paintings, they don't do coasters. Why? We want coasters. But anyway, yeah, that's the mandala. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a lovely day. Bye.